My name is Milan Tolaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 1.4. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Magnification means what? Zoom in, right? So one by one, we need to zoom our digits. Okay, so how we can represent this 3.765 on the number line? Okay, so first of all, we need to check this number is lies between 3 and 4, right? 3.765, which is lies between 3 and 4. Okay, 3.765, which is lies between 3 and 4. So first of all, we need to draw a number line. In that, we need to show 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4. Okay, 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4. Okay, now what is our number? 3.765. Right, now if we move forward, first of all this number lies between 3 and 4. Now if we move forward, then here we have 3.7, right? Here we have 3.7. That means this number lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Okay, more than 3.7, so it lies between 3.7 and 3.8, right? First of all, we have 3.765. First of all, we need to look this 3. Okay, that means this number lies between 3 and 4. Okay, so we need to write the digits 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4. Okay, now if we move forward, then 3.765, here we have 3.7. That means this number lies between 3.7 and 3.8. So we need to zoom this part, 3.7 and 3.8. Okay, so below we need to draw one more number line. In that we need to show here 3.7 and 3.8. Okay, now in between number we need to represent here. Okay, if this is 3.7 and 3.8, then which numbers are there in between 3.7 and 3.8? So here we need to write 3.71, 72, 73. Okay, 3.7, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79 and finally 3.8. That means if we zoom this part, so in between 10 more numbers are there. Okay, if we zoom this part, then in between 10 more number we have, right? 3.71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Okay, now what is our number? 3.765. Now let's move forward. So 3.76. First of all, we consider 3 only, then 3.7, now 3.76. Okay, if we think about 3.76, then this number is lies between 3.76 and 3.77, right? Now if we move forward, then 3.765, 3.76 we need to consider here. So that's why this number lies between 3.76 and 3.77. Okay, so here we have 3.76 and 3.77. Again we need to zoom this part, so we get 10 more numbers. Okay, we need to zoom this part, 3.76 and 3.77. So here we have 3.76 and here we have 3.77. Now in between, what is that? Here 3.76, right? Then 3.76. Okay, if 3.76 is given, it means 3.760. Okay, so after that 3.761, 3.762, 3.763. Okay, like this we get the number. So 3.76, it means 3.760, then 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769 and 3.77. Okay, like this we get the number. Now here we get our original number, right? Our original number is 3.765. So here we have 3.765. So this is the magnification of 3.765. Okay, and we need to join this number line. That means 3.7 to 3.7 and 3.8 to 3.8. Again here 3.76 to 3.76, 3.77 to 3.77. Okay, again quickly I repeat this thing, 3.765. So first of all we need to see this 3, so which is lies between 3 and 4, right? So 3 and 4, and in between we need to write the number in decimal form. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Okay, now if we move forward, then we need to see this 3.7. Okay, if we look 3.7, then this number is lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Okay, so we need to zoom this two parts. So 3.71, 72, 73, 74. That means here 3.7. That means we need to consider here 3.70. So after that 71, 72, 73 up to 80, 3.80. It means 3.8 only. Okay, 3.765. Now if we move forward, then here we have 3.76. Okay, so we need, so this number lies between 3.76 and 3.77. Okay, 3.765. If we move forward, then 3.76. So here this number is lies between 3.76 and 3.77. Okay, so we need to zoom this part, 3.76 and 3.77. Okay, so again we get the 10 more decimal numbers. Here 3.76, it means 3.760. After that we have 3.761, 762, 763, like this. Okay, and we will get our original number 3.765. This is the magnification process. Okay, then next is visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Okay, up to 4 decimal places. So here 4.26 bar, it means what? 4.26 bar, it means what? 4.26, 26, 26 continuously, right? 26 bar, that means this 26 is repeating digit. Okay, infinitely repeating digits. Okay, non-terminating repeating decimal expansion we have here. 4.26 bar, it means 4.26, 26, 26 continuously. But here we need to represent this number up to 4 decimal places. Okay, here we need to represent this number up to 4 decimal places. So 4.2626, okay, up to 4 decimal places. So after decimal point we want 4 digit, so 2626. So we need to represent this number on the number line by the successive magnification. Okay, by the successive magnification we need to represent this number. So first of all we start with our number line. First of all write down this number 4.2626. Okay, so first of all we just start with 4. So this number lies between 4 and 5, right? 4 point something. That means this number lies between 4 and 5. Okay, so draw one number line. 4 and here 5. Now in between we can represent decimal numbers. Okay, here 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. Okay, so first of all we need to check our first digit. It is 4, so this number lies between 4 and 5. Okay, 4.2626. Now we need to move forward. So after that we have 4.2. It means for 4.2 something. So which is lies between 4.2 and 4.3. Okay, so this number lies between 4.2 and 4.3. Right? So we need to zoom this part 4.2 and 4.3. So again we get the some more decimal numbers in between 4.2 and 4.3. Now here 4.2, it means what? 4.20, right? And here 4.3, it means what? 4.30. Okay, so here 4.20 and 4.30 we have. Now in between we have some 10 decimal numbers, right? 4.21, that means here 4.2, it means 4.20. So after that 4.21, 4.22, 4.323, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 4.3. Okay, so now we need to move forward 4.2626. Okay, if we move forward, then after that we have 4.26. Okay, after that we have 4.26. That means here we have number 4.26 something, right? That means this number lies between 4.26 and 4.27. Okay, 4.26 something. That means this number lies between 4.26 and 4.27. So here we have 4.26 and 4.27. Okay, we need to zoom it, we need to magnify it. Okay, so we can get again more 10 decimal numbers in between 4.26 and 4.27. Okay, so here we have 4.26 and 4.27. Okay, 4.26 and 4.27. Now 4.26, it means what? 4.260, right? And here 4.27, it means 4.270. Now after 4.260, 4.261, 4.262. Okay, here 260. So after that 261, 262 continuously. Okay, so here we have 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269 and finally 4.27. Okay, so here we get the 10 more decimal numbers. Now again look back to our original number. It is 4.2626. Okay, now we need to move forward. So here we have 4.262. Okay, 4.262. So 4.262 something, that means this number lies between 4.262 and 4.263. Okay, this number lies between 4.262 and 4.263. So we need to zoom this part 4.262 and 4.263. So again we get 10 more decimal numbers in between 4.262 and 4.263. Okay, so here draw one number line. So here 4.262, 4.263. Okay, here 4.262, it means 4.2620, right? So after that 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629 and 4.2630. It means 4.263. Okay. Now what is the our original number? 4.2626, right? So that number we get here 4.2626. So here our magnification process is over. This is the magnification of 4.2626. Okay, this is here our magnification process is over for this number 4.2626. Here we get. Okay, so every time we need to join this line 4.2, 4.3. Here we zoom 4.26 and 4.27. So that we need to join here. Here we need to join 4.262, 4.263. Okay. So first of all 4.2626. So first of all this number lies between 4 and 5. Okay. So here we need to represent 4 and 5 and in between 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 numbers, right? Then 4.2626. If we move forward then 4.2. So this number lies between 4.2 and 4.3. So here we need to write 4.2. Here we need to write 4.3. Okay, now after that 4.21, 22, 23, 24 up to the 4.3. We have number 4.2626. Okay, so after that we have 4.26. Okay, that means this number lies between 4.26 and 4.27. So we need to zoom this two part 4.26 and 4.27. Okay, so after that we get 4.261, 262, 263 up to the 4.27. But if we look at the number, so here 4.262, right? 4.262. So here this number lies between 4.262 and 4.263. So we need to zoom this part. So after that we get 4.2621, 2622 up to the 4.263. So in that we have our number 4.2626. Okay, this is the magnification process of 4.2626. Here this figure is given twice, but we need to draw only one time. Okay, so students, here our exercise 4.2 is complete. If you have any doubt in this exercise, you can write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.